Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about properties of phenols. Properties of phenols. So already preparation methods of phenols completed. Next to properties of phenols. So in properties of phenols, some properties are completed. For example, react with sodium metal. Sodium metal. Next to react with sodium hydroxide. Formula NaOH. Next reaction with sodium hydroxide NaOH plus methyl chloride CH3 bond Cl. And next one react with nitric acid. Nitric acid. Example dilute and concentrated. So in dilute nitric acid, products are orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol. But in presence of concentrated nitric acid, so product is trinitrophenol or picric acid. And next is say bromine, reaction with bromine molecule. So presence of carbon disulfide or organic sulfate, products are ortho-bromophenol and para-bromophenol. And presence of water or inorganic solvent, so product is tribromophenol. So bromine molecule. Okay. So these properties are completed in previous class. And next one heading very important Nemours reaction. Important Nemours reaction. So heading properties of phenol. So some properties are completed like react with sodium hydroxide plus methyl chloride, react with nitric acid, react with bromine. And next most important Nemours reaction in organic chemistry, that is Kolbe's reaction. Kolbe's reaction. So Nemours reaction, Kolbe's reaction, not Kolbe's electrolysis. So this is Kolbe's reaction, not Kolbe's electrolysis. Okay, Kolbe's reaction. One of the most important Nemours reaction in organic chemistry. Okay. So first of all, reactant phenol. Our compound phenol formula C6H5OH. So this is phenol or carbonic acid or hydroxide. And phenol react with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. So 1 mole of H plus ion, next 1 mole of OH minus ion. So removal of water. And the remaining answer C6H5O minus Na plus. C6H5O minus Na plus. And the compound name is sodium phenoxide. Okay, sodium phenoxide. And further sodium phenoxide react with carbon dioxide CO2 and H plus ion, presence of H plus ion. Then sodium phenoxide directly converted into ortho hydroxy benzoic acid. C double bond OH. Okay. So compound name is ortho hydroxy benzene plus carboxylic acid. So benzoic acid. Ortho hydroxy benzoic acid. And it is also called salicylic acid. So very important Nemours reaction. Okay. So first of all, phenol formula C6H5OH plus sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. 1 mole of H plus ion, 1 mole of OH minus ion. So removal of water. So remain C6H5O minus Na plus. And compound name is sodium phenoxide. And further carbon dioxide and H plus ion. Then sodium phenoxide directly converted into ortho hydroxy benzene plus carboxylic acid. So benzoic acid. And it is also called salicylic acid. So this is Kolbe's reaction. One of the most important Nemours reaction. And next one, very important Nemours reaction, that is Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. So same most important Nemours reaction, Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Very simple. Same phenol formula C6H5OH. So our compound phenol, properties of phenol. So phenol plus chloroform. Chloroform formula CHCl3. So it says chloroform. Phenol plus chloroform plus 3 moles of sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide at 65 degrees Celsius temperature. 65 degrees Celsius temperature. So then phenol directly converted into very important product, that is orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. Then phenol directly converted into orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. First one is orthohydroxy benzoic acid and second one is orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. And byproducts are very simple. So 3 moles of sodium next to 3 chlorine atom. So 3 NaCl plus 2 moles of water, 2H2O. And main compound is ortho hydroxy OH group. So hydroxy. Next benzene plus aldehyde. So benzaldehyde. So ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde. So compound name is ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde. And it is also called salicylaldehyde. Okay, salicylaldehyde. So first one salicylic acid or ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid. So in coal-based reaction, so main product is ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid or salicylic acid. But in Reimann reaction, so main product is ortho-hydroxy benzaldehyde. So ortho-hydroxy benzene plus aldehyde group. So ortho-hydroxy benzaldehyde, and it is also called salicylaldehyde. Okay. So first one is coal-based reaction, and second one Reimann reaction. So in coal-based reaction, main product is ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid or salicylic acid. In Reimann reaction, main product is ortho-hydroxy benzaldehyde or salicylaldehyde. So C is coal-based reaction and Reimann reaction. Okay, right. Next. So coal-based reaction. Next to Reimann reaction. Next one. Coal-based reaction. Next one, Reimann reaction. Next, very simple. Reduction of phenol. Reduction of phenol. So very simple. Reduction of phenol. Very simple. First of all, phenol formula C6H5OH. And phenol treated with zinc dust, Zn zinc dust. Okay. So one of the reducing agent. So actual heading reduction of phenol. So one of the reducing agent, that is zinc dust. So 1 mole of zinc and 1 mole of oxygen. So byproduct is ZnO, zinc oxide. Remaining answer, actually phenol formula C6H5OH. So 1 mole of zinc, 1 mole of oxygen, byproduct is ZnO. Remaining answer C6H5 plus 1 hydrogen atom. So that is C6H6. That means aromatic ring. So that is benzene. So benzene formula C6H6. So reduction or reducing product of phenol, that is benzene. Reducing product of phenol, that is benzene. Okay. So reduction of phenol. First of all, phenol formula C6H5OH. Phenol formula C6H5OH in the presence of zinc dust. So 1 mole of zinc, 1 mole of oxygen. So byproduct is ZnO, and remaining answer C6H5 plus 1 hydrogen C6H6, that is benzene. Okay. So reducing product of phenol is benzene. And next one, oxidation. And next one is oxidation of phenol. Okay. So reducing product of phenol, benzene. Next one, oxidation of phenol. So very simple. So phenol formula C6H5OH. So it says phenol phenol. In the presence of oxidizing agent, that is sodium dichromate, Na2Cr2O7, sodium dichromate. Actually, potassium dichromate formula K2Cr2O7. Same sodium dichromate formula Na2Cr2O7. Then phenol directly converted into benzoquinone. Benzoquinone. Double bond O. Next same double bond O, and compound name is benzoquinone. Compound name is benzoquinone. Okay. So reducing product of phenol, that is benzene. Oxidizing product of phenol, that is benzoquinone. And reducing agent is zinc dust. Next oxidizing agent is sodium dichromate, that is Na2Cr2O7. Okay. So reducing product of phenol, benzene, and oxidizing product of phenol, that is benzoquinone. So write reducing and oxidizing products of phenol. Write reducing and oxidizing product of phenol. So reducing product of phenol, benzene, and oxidizing product of phenol, benzoquinone. And reducing agent is zinc dust. Next oxidizing agent is sodium dichromate, that is Na2Cr2O7, and product name is benzoquinone. So these are reducing and oxidizing products of phenol. Reducing and oxidizing products of phenol. Okay. And next one. React with PCl5. And next one, react with PCl5. Next one, 10th property. Properties of phenol. 10th property, PCl5. React with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. First of all, phenol. Generally, phenol formula C6H5OH. C6H5OH. So this is phenol. Okay, phenol. And phenol react with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. First of all, byproducts: 1 mole of hydrogen and addition of 1 mole of chlorine, HCl, plus 1 mole of phosphorus, 1 mole of oxygen, 1 mole of phosphorus, 1 mole of oxygen. Next, addition of 3 chlorine atoms, phosphoric chloride or phosphoxytrichloride. So byproducts are HCl and POCl3. And remaining answer C6H5 and last chlorine atom. So C6H5, next one chlorine atom. So compound name is chloro. Benzene formula C6H5Cl. Okay. So react with PCl5. First of all, phenol formula C6H5OH plus PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. So byproducts are 1 mole of hydrogen and addition of 1 chlorine atom, HCl. Next 1 mole of phosphorus, 1 mole of oxygen, remaining 3 chlorine atoms, POCl3. Next C6H5Cl, chlorobenzene. Okay. And last and final property, very important, preparation of aspirin. Preparation of aspirin, one of the non-narcotic drug. So preparation of aspirin. Okay. First of all, ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid. Ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid. C double bond OH. Okay. So compound name is ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid. Ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid. And it is also called salicylic acid. Ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid or salicylic acid. Formula C6H4OH, C double bond OH. Ortho-hydroxybenzene plus oic acid, so benzoic acid. It is also called salicylic acid. Okay. So ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid react with acetic anhydride. Formula CH3, C double bond O, taken twice O. So compound name is acetic anhydride. Formula CH3, C double bond O, taken twice O. Actually, acetic acid formula CH3, C double bond O, OH, but 2 moles of acetic acid. Same CH3, C double bond O, OH. In the presence of P4O10, one of the dehydrating agent, that is CH4 water. So generally dehydration means removal of water. Removal of water. So very simple, removal of water minus H2O. Remaining answer CH3 C double bond O, CH3 C double bond O. So CH3 C double bond O, 2 moles of CH3 C double bond O. So taken twice. And one oxygen atom, and byproduct is water H2O. So this is acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. So acetic anhydride formula CH3 C double bond O taken twice O. Okay. So first of all, ortho-hydroxy-benzoic acid or salicylic acid react with acetic anhydride formula CH3 C double bond O taken twice O. So very simple. First of all, byproduct, very simple byproduct. So CH3, okay, C double bond O, next to one hydrogen atom. Okay, so CH3, C double bond O, and one hydrogen atom. So byproduct is acetic acid. CH3, C double bond O, OH. Byproduct is acetic acid. And remaining answer, benzene ring C6H4. Next, C double bond O, OH. C double bond O, OH. C double bond O, OH. Next, O, second mole C double bond O, CH3. O, second mole C double bond O, CH3. O, second mole C double bond O, CH3. So this is aspirin. So this is aspirin or O acetyl salicylic acid. O acetyl salicylic acid, and it is also called aspirin, one of the non-narcotic drug. So this is preparation of aspirin. Okay. So first of all, ortho-hydroxy-benzoic acid, formula C6H4OH C double bond OH, and it is also called salicylic acid. React with acetic anhydride, formula CH3 C double bond O taken twice O. First of all, byproduct very simple, CH3 C double bond O, OH. So byproduct is acetic acid. So remaining answer C6H4 C double bond O, OH. Second mole C double bond O, CH3. Second mole C double bond O, CH3. So this is aspirin, and it is also called O acetyl salicylic acid or aspirin. Okay. So these are properties of phenol. So properties of phenol completed. Actually, first property is reaction with sodium metal and product is sodium phenoxide. Second property, same reaction with sodium hydroxide and product is same sodium phenoxide. And third one is reaction with sodium hydroxide NaOH plus methyl chloride, and product is anisole, one of the aromatic ether. And next one, fourth property, reaction with nitric acid HNO3, that is dilute nitric acid and concentrated nitric acid. So presence of dilute nitric acid, so product is orthonitrophenol and paranitrophenol, and presence of concentrated nitric acid, so product is trinitrophenol, that is picric acid. And next one, reaction with bromine, inorganic solvent water, organic solvent CS2. And next, sixth one, most important name reaction, coal-based reaction. And seventh one, Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Next, oxidation product of phenol, that is benzoquinone. Next, reducing product of phenol, that is benzene. Next one, PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. And next, preparation of aspirin. So these are properties of phenol. Okay. So phenol's topic completed. First of all, preparation methods of phenol. Actually, preparation methods are only 4 preparation methods. So first method is from chlorobenzene, and second preparation method is from aniline to dihydrogen chloride salt, and dihydrogen chloride salt to phenol. And third method is from cumene or isopropyl benzene, and fourth method is very important from benzene. Next, properties of phenol: sodium hydroxide plus methyl chloride, nitric acid, bromine molecule, coal-based reaction, not coal-based electrolysis, coal-based reaction. Reimer-Tiemann reaction. Next one, oxidation product of phenol, that is benzoquinone. Next, reducing product of phenol, that is benzene. Next, PCl5, main product is chlorobenzene. And last and final, preparation of aspirin. So these are properties of phenol. So phenol topic is completed. Okay, right. So ortho-hydroxy-benzoic acid or salicylic acid. Next, aspirin or O-acetyl salicylic acid. So these are properties of phenol. Okay, right. Phenol's topic completed. Next. actually 12th chapter name organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. 12th chapter name organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So first topic alcohols like ethyl alcohol, etc. And second topic aromatic alcohols like phenol. Two topics are completed. Okay. And next topic, very important topic, separate topic, ethers. Okay. So actually chapter name organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen, and different types of topics. For example, ethyl alcohol, next phenol, ethers, estradiol, acetone and carboxylic acid. First topic is alcohols completed, and second topic is phenols completed, and third one is ethers. So in 12th chapter, that is organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In 12th chapter, third topic, that is ethers. Okay. So ethers, best example of ethers. For example, diethyl ether. Generally diethyl ether formula CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. So first mole ethyl group and second mole ethyl group. So 2 moles of ethyl group. So diethyl ether. So generally formula CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. Next one dimethyl ether. For example, dimethyl ether formula CH3 bond O bond CH3. CH3 bond O bond CH3. Methyl, next methyl group. So dimethyl ether. Next dimethyl ether. For example, CH3 bond O bond CH2 bond CH3. It is also one of the ether. So bond CH3 methyl. Next bond CH2 CH3 propyl. So methyl propyl ether. So these are different types of ethers. Okay. So generally ethers common formula ROR. Ethers common formula functional group formula ROR. So for example diethyl ether. Next one dimethyl ether CH3O CH3. Next methyl propyl ether. So these are different types of ethers, and ethers generally functional group formula ROR. Okay. So next subheading preparation methods of ethers. Like diethyl ether or dimethyl ether or methyl propyl ether or anisole, etc. Okay, right. So preparation methods of ethers. Preparation methods of ethers. Okay, right. So first topic in 12th chapter name organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. In 12th chapter, first topic is alcohols, second topic phenols, and third topic ethers. And subheading preparation methods of ethers. So very simple. First method is well-known method, that is Williamson synthesis. Williamson's synthesis. So first method very important. Williamson's synthesis. So most important name reaction in organic chemistry. First of all, alkyl halide, any alkyl halide, for example ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2, Cl, compound name is ethyl chloride. One of the alkyl halide, ethyl chloride. Okay, formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. And ethyl chloride react with sodium ethoxide. Sodium formula Na, 2 carbon atoms E and oxygen ethoxide. So sodium ethoxide. So first of all, important name reaction Williamson synthesis. So first of all, ethyl chloride formula CH3 bond CH2 bond Cl plus sodium ethoxide formula NaOCH2 CH3. So very simple answer. 1 mole of sodium and 1 mole of chlorine. 1 mole of sodium, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is NaCl, sodium chloride. Sodium chloride. And remaining answer is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. So that is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. CH3. And the compound name is ethyl ether. So one of the ether, ether. So general heading, our heading is preparation methods of ethers. And first method is Williamson synthesis. Williamson synthesis. So alkyl halide, any alkyl halide, for example, ethyl chloride, formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. Plus sodium oxide formula NaO, CH2, CH3. Sodium formula Na, 2 carbon atoms, heat and oxygen, oxide with oxide. So 1 mole of sodium, 1 mole of chlorine. So removal of sodium chloride. NaCl. And remaining answer is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. Our compound ether, that is diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. So our heading preparation methods of ethers. Preparation methods of ethers, that is Williamson synthesis. Williamson synthesis. So first preparation method is Williamson synthesis. Williamson synthesis. And second preparation method. Second preparation method. Second preparation method is from alcohols. From alcohols. So first preparation method Williamson synthesis, and second preparation method is from alcohols. From alcohols. Okay. So first of all, ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. So compound name is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. Plus second mole ethyl alcohol, same ethyl alcohol, but second mole ethyl alcohol, same formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. 2 moles of ethyl alcohol, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol, CH3 CH2 OH, CH3 CH2 OH. So in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 at 140 degrees Celsius temperature. 140 degrees Celsius temperature, 140 degrees Celsius temperature. So very simple, it is one of the dehydrating agent. One of the dehydrating agent. Concentrated sulfuric acid, Al2O3 and P4 are dehydrating agents. Dehydrating agents. Dehydration means removal of water. Removal of water. So H plus ion and OH minus ion. So removal of water minus H2O. H2O. So byproduct is water H2O. H2O. And remaining answer CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. So remaining answer is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. CH3. So CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. So our compound diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2, CH3. So first method is Williamson synthesis, and second method is from alcohols. From alcohols. For example, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. 2 moles of ethyl alcohol in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius temperature. So it is one of the dehydrating agents. Concentrated sulfuric acid Al2O3 and P4 reagents are dehydrating agents. Dehydrating agents. So generally dehydration means removal of water. Removal of water. So H plus ion and OH minus ion. So byproduct is water. And remaining answer is CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. And compound name is diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. And next one, for example, same ethyl alcohol. Same ethyl alcohol. Formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. OH. Same ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. But 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. Formula same. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. Ethyl alcohol. 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. So in the presence of Al2O3, aluminum trioxide at 260 degrees Celsius temperature. 260 degrees Celsius temperature. So concentrated sulfuric acid, presence of concentrated sulfuric acid, and temperature is 140 degrees Celsius temperature. Presence of Al2O3 aluminum trioxide and temperature is 260 degrees Celsius temperature. So it is also one of the dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent. So dehydration means removal of water. Removal of water. H plus ion and OH minus ion. So removal of water. Removal of water. So byproduct is H2O. Byproduct is H2O. So remaining answer CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2, CH3. So remaining answer CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. CH3. Our compound diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. So both reactions are same, but reagent is different. So first reagent is concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius, and second reagent is Al2O3 at 260 degrees Celsius temperature. These two are dehydrating agents. Dehydrating agents. So generally dehydration means removal of water. Okay. So first preparation method is Williamson synthesis, one of the most important name reaction, and second preparation method is from alcohols and dehydrating agents, concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius temperature, and second one Al2O3 at 260 degrees Celsius temperature. So this is second method for the preparation of ethers. For the preparation of ethers, that is from alcohols. And third method. Only three methods. So first one is Williamson synthesis, and second one dehydration of alcohols. For example, concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 and Al2O3 at 260 degrees Celsius temperature. Next, third method. From alkyl halides. So first method is Williamson synthesis, and second one from alcohols, and third one is from alkyl halides. From alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. For example, ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. So ethyl chloride formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. So one of the alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride formula CH3, CH2, Cl. One of the alkyl halide. Plus disilver oxide. Actually disilver oxide formula Ag2O, or silver oxide formula Ag2O. Ag2O. So very simple. Ag2O, Ag2O, silver oxide or disilver oxide. Plus second mole alkyl halide. Second mole alkyl halide, same ethyl chloride formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. Ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. So 2 moles of ethyl chloride react with disilver oxide, Ag2O. So a heading is from alkyl halides. So one of the alkyl halide, that is ethyl chloride, formula CH3, CH2, Cl. 2 moles of ethyl chloride react with silver oxide. Silver oxide. Formula Ag2O. Ag2O. Very simple. 1 mole of silver, 1 mole of chlorine. Same 1 mole of silver, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is 2 moles of AgCl, silver chloride. Silver chloride. AgCl. Next AgCl. So byproduct is 2 moles of silver chloride. AgCl. And remaining answer is our product, that is CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. And remaining answer is CH3 bond, CH2 bond. Next O, CH2 bond, CH3. Our compound ether, that is diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. So these are preparation methods of ethers. So only 3 preparation methods. First one is Williamson synthesis, one of the most important reaction in organic chemistry. And second one is very important from alcohols, dehydration of alcohols, particularly concentrated sulfuric acid at 140 degrees Celsius temperature. Second one Al2O3 at 260 degrees Celsius temperature. And third one is from alkyl halides, any alkyl halide, for example ethyl chloride, but 2 moles of ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2Cl, CH3, CH2Cl, reacts with disilver oxide, formula Ag2O. Ag2O. So very simple, 1 mole of silver, 1 mole of chlorine. Same 1 mole of silver, 1 mole of chlorine. So byproduct is 2 moles of AgCl. Remaining answer is CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3, and compound name is diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. So these are preparation methods of ethers. Okay. So first method Williamson synthesis, second method dehydration of alcohols, and third one is from alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. And next heading. Properties of ethers. Next heading, properties of ethers. Okay, so preparation methods of ethers completed, and next properties of ethers. Very simple properties. So first property, very simple property, oxidation. Oxidation of ethers. Oxidation of ethers. For example, diethyl ether. Any ether, for example, diethyl ether. Formula: CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. CH3. Our compound diethyl ether. Diethyl ether. Formula: CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2, CH3. And oxidation. Oxidation means addition of oxygen atoms. Addition of oxygen atoms. Apo2 means single oxygen atom. Single oxygen atom. So very simple answer. CH3 bond, CH2, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2, CH3 plus addition of one oxygen atom. So addition of one oxygen atom. And this is peroxide bond. And compound name is diethyl peroxide. Diethyl peroxide. So oxidation product of diethyl ether, that is diethyl peroxide. Diethyl peroxide. Formula: CH3, CH2, O bond, O, CH2, CH3. So this is oxidation of ethers, and main product is diethyl peroxide. And next one, react with water. Water formula: H2O. First of all, same diethyl ether formula: CH3 bond, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. Our compound diethyl ether. So CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. Plus water molecule formula: H2O or H plus OH minus ion. So very simple. So simple answer: CH3, CH2, OH. Next CH3, CH2, OH. So 2 moles of CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH, and compound name is ethyl alcohol. So main product is ethyl alcohol, but 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. So first of all, diethyl ether formula: CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3 plus water molecule formula: H2O or H plus OH minus ion. Simple answer: CH3, CH2OH, CH3, CH2OH, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol, 2 moles of CH3, CH2OH. And next one, action of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid formula: H2SO4. Sulfuric acid formula: H2SO4. First of all, diethyl ether formula: CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. Diethyl ether. Plus sulfuric acid formula: H2SO4 or H plus HSO4 minus ion. H plus HSO4 minus ion, sulfuric acid. So very simple answer. So CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH, ethyl alcohol, and byproduct is CH3 bond, CH2, HSO4. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, HSO4. Byproduct is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, HSO4. So main product is ethyl alcohol, and byproduct is ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Okay. So first property is oxidation of ethers. So diethyl ether formula: CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3 plus half mole O2. So compound is diethyl peroxide. And next one, H2O, diethyl ether formula: CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. Water molecule formula: H2O or H plus OH minus ion. So CH3, CH2O, bond cleavage. So OH, CH3, CH2OH, 2 moles of ethyl alcohol. Next, sulfuric acid, same diethyl ether: CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3 plus sulfuric acid formula: H2SO4 or H plus HSO4 minus ion. So CH3, CH2OH, CH3, CH2, HSO4, ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Okay. So first property is oxidation, and second one react with water, and third property react with sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid formula: H2SO4. Next property. Fourth property, very important property, that is fourth property, react with hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen iodide formula Hi. Hydrogen iodide formula Hi. So first of all diethyl ether formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. CH3 compound name is diethyl ether. Diethyl ether react with hydrogen iodide. Hydrogen iodide formula Hi, but condition is very important. Cold condition. Cold hydrogen iodide. So very simple answer. So O bond C bond cleavage. So CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, OH, ethyl alcohol. Plus second product is CH3 bond, CH2 bond, I. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, iodide. Okay. So first compound is ethyl alcohol. And second compound is ethyl iodide or iodoethane. Ethyl iodide. Condition is cold condition. So very simple diethyl ether formula CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3. So cold hydrogen iodide. So CH3, CH2, O, H, CH3, CH2, I, ethyl iodide. Next same diethyl ether CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. Compound name is diethyl ether. Diethyl ether plus hydrogen iodide, but 2 moles of hydrogen iodide, and condition is hot or concentrated. First condition is cold condition or dilute condition. Second one hot condition or concentrated. First of all byproduct, very simple byproduct. 2 hydrogen atoms H2, 1 oxygen atom. So byproduct is water. 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Byproduct is water. Remaining answer CH3, CH2, CH3, CH2. 2 moles of CH3 bond CH2 and 2 moles of iodine. So I. Okay. So first mole CH3 CH2 group, second mole CH3 CH2 group. So 2 moles of CH3 CH2 and 2 iodine atoms. So 2 moles of CH3 bond CH2 bond I, and compound name is ethyl iodide. Ethyl iodide or iodoethane. Okay. So in cold condition products are ethyl alcohol and ethyl iodide, but in hot condition only one product, that is ethyl iodide. Formula CH3 bond CH2 bond I, ethyl iodide. Okay. And next one react with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. PCl5. So diethyl ether formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. Diethyl ether react with PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. First of all byproduct, 1 mole of phosphorus, 1 mole of oxygen PO and 3 chlorine atoms. So byproduct is POCl3. And remaining answer CH3 CH2, 2 moles of ethyl group. Next remaining 2 chlorine atoms. So 2 moles of CH3 bond, CH2 bond, Cl. So compound name is ethyl chloride. So very simple. First of all diethyl ether formula CH3, CH2, O, CH2, CH3 plus PCl5, phosphorus pentachloride. First of all byproduct PO and 3 chlorine atoms, POCl3, phosphoric oxychloride, and remaining answer CH3 CH2, 2 moles of ethyl group and 2 chlorine atoms, ethyl chloride. So first mole ethyl group, second mole ethyl group. So 2 moles of ethyl group. Next 1 oxygen atom. Next 1 mole of phosphorus. Next 5 chlorine atoms, 2 chlorine atoms plus 3, 5 chlorine atoms. Okay. So hydrogen iodide, cold condition and hot condition. Cold condition products are ethyl alcohol and ethyl iodide. Hot condition product is only one product, ethyl iodide. Next react with PCl5, main product is ethyl chloride and byproduct is POCl3. And last and final property, very simple property, react with halogens like chlorine. Sixth property, react with chlorine. Chlorine formula Cl2. First of all Diethyl ether formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. Reactive chlorine molecule formula Cl2, but condition is dark condition. Okay, so same gold hydrogen iodide, hot hydrogen iodide. Next, diethyl ether react with chlorine molecule, but condition is dark condition. So first of all, very simple answer. CH3 bond, CH, O bond, CH, bond CH3, bond CH3, two chlorine atoms. Addition of first chlorine atom, addition of second chlorine atom. Compound name is alpha gamma alpha dichloro alpha gamma alpha dichloro diethyl ether. Compound name is alpha gamma alpha dichloro diethyl ether. But condition is very important. That is dark condition. Next one, same diethyl ether formula. CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2 bond, CH3. Our compound diethyl ether formula CH3 bond, CH2 bond, O bond, CH2, CH3. React with chlorine molecule, same chlorine molecule, but presence of sunlight. First condition is dark condition. Second condition is sunlight, presence of sunlight. Then diethyl ether directly converted into C2Cl5. C2Cl5, O, C2Cl5. So removal of 10 hydrogen atoms. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 2, 7 and 3. Removal of 10 hydrogen atoms and adding of 10 chlorine atoms. So C2Cl5, O, C2Cl5. Compound name is perchloro diethyl ether. Perchloro diethyl ether. So these are properties of diethyl ether. So reaction with chlorine, CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3, chlorine molecule, but condition is dark condition. So main component is alpha gamma alpha dichloro diethyl ether. Next one, same diethyl ether react with chlorine molecule, but condition is sunlight. First condition dark condition, second condition sunlight. Then diethyl ether converted into perchloro diethyl ether, formula C2Cl5O, C2Cl5. So these are properties of ethers. Okay. So preparation methods of ethers and properties of ethers completed. So first topic alcohols, second topic phenols, and third topic ethers. So preparation methods of ethers, only 3 methods: Williamson synthesis from alcohols, from alkyl halides. And properties of ethers, first property, very important property, oxidation. So compound name is diethyl peroxide. Second, water, sulfuric acid, and hydrogen iodide. 2 conditions, cold condition and hot condition. And next one, PCl5, and last one, final chlorine. 2 conditions, dark condition and sunlight. So this is ethers. Okay. So ethers topic is completed. Right.